Dear students, welcome to this scoring package video program. In previous video, we solved 6 problems. In this video, I am going to take problem number 7. Prove that cos theta into cosecant theta equal to cot theta, where 0 degree less than theta degree less than 90 degree. Take LHS. LHS equal to cos theta into cosecant theta. Observe RHS. On RHS, we have cot theta. Cot theta can be expressed in terms of cos theta and sin theta as cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So we have to get cos theta by sin theta by using this expression. Let us try. LHS equal to cos theta into 1 by sin theta, because cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Therefore, LHS equal to cos theta by sin theta, because cos theta into 1 is equal to cos theta. In denominator, we have sin theta. Therefore, LHS equal to cot theta. That implies LHS equal to RHS. Problem 8. Prove that 1 minus sin square A into 1 plus tan square A equal to 1, where 0 degree less than a degree less than 90 degree. Take LHS. LHS equal to 1 minus sin square A into 1 plus tan square A. On RHS, we have 1. Let us try to get 1. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Also, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Observe this term, that is 1 plus tan square theta. This is of the form, here we have 1 plus tan square A. This is of the form 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, 1 plus tan square A can be written as secant square A. Next, here we have 1 minus sin square A. After shifting sin square theta to RHS, we get cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Therefore, 1 minus sin square A can be written as secant square A. Okay, let us write LHS equal to cos square A into secant square A. What we have to do here? Here, write cos square A as 1 by secant square A. That is LHS equal to 1 by secant square A into secant square A. Secant square A get cancel. We get LHS equal to 1. That implies LHS equal to RHS. Problem 9. Prove that sin theta by cosecant theta plus cos theta by secant theta equal to 1. It is understood that theta is an acute angle. Take LHS. LHS equal to 1 by sin theta by cosecant theta plus cos theta by secant theta. This expression encourages you to take LCM for denominator. But we know that 1 by cosecant theta is equal to sin theta and 1 by secant theta is equal to cos theta. Let us write the identities. 1 by cosecant theta is equal to sin theta. 1 by secant theta is equal to cos theta. By replacing 1 by cosecant theta by sin theta here and 1 by secant theta by cos theta, we can get sin square theta plus cos square theta. let us write LHS equal to sin theta into sin theta plus cos theta into cos theta. Therefore LHS equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That implies LHS equal to RHS. Problem 10. Prove that 1 plus tan square A by sin square A divided by 1 plus tan square A by sin square C is equal to 1 plus sin square A by tan square B divided by 1 plus sin square A by tan square C, where A, B and C are acute angles. Where A, B and C are acute angles. I will solve this problem in next video. Please keep watching my videos.